Hey guys, hope you guys are doing great today. I'm over at the A&W on Kenmount Road looking at the car show. We got a great selection of cars here today. Look at these beauts here. Beautiful selection of cars here today. I don't know much about cars or anything like that, but like, look at this. You know, it's a thing of beauty here, you know? Oh, sorry.
Red. Oh, sorry.
And here's the star of the show, you know, the green machine, you know, doing them skip deliveries. Got a whole big crowd down here. You got people showing off their engines down there below. Whole bunch of great cars here. Look at these great machines here. Look, got Camaro here. You know, these cars are beautiful. A nice little Honda here. Also, you got some motorcycles here as well. You got a Ford F-150. Got some Dodge Challengers. You got the Toyota. I don't know what kind of car it is. It says "fuck you" on it. Lots of nice cars here. Look at this beauty with the chrome. Excuse me, sir, is this your car? Do you want to talk about it for TikTok? Action. So what do we got here?
73 Comet.
A 73 Comet. So what's its features?
It's got a big block engine in it, 460 big block. And yeah, it's a bit of fun.
Oh, nice. Take it out with the missus every so often?
Yeah, not very often, but every now and then, yeah.
Okay, cool. Well, thank you very much, sir.
No problem, buddy.
Don't work too hard. We got some more beautiful cars here. Look at this. Excuse me, sir. Is this your car?
Yeah.
Do you want to talk about it for TikTok? So what's kind of car? Can you tell me about this?
Oh, it's a beautiful color.
Oh yes, indeed, it is a beautiful color indeed.
And it's very eye-catching.
Oh
And
yes.
it's in good, immaculate condition.
Mm-hmm.
And I love to own it, but I'm too poor.
Well, thank you very much. So nice, more cars here. Is this your truck, sir?
Yes, sir.
Do you want to talk about it?
Sure, why not?
Okay, you're on camera now. So what can you tell me about your lovely truck here?
1972 F-250 factory live boy. Came from California last year.
Okay, any cool features about it?
364 speed.
Nice.
That's it, no power steering, no power brake.
And in this heat, no AC, eh?
No AC.
A luxury for us young folks, eh? Well, anyway, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Got some more cool cars here showing off their engines here with Mercedes-Benz. Got some more here. Got some more nice cars here.
Oh, lots of nice cars here.
Oh, yes. As we keep going down, we got some more here. Hey guys, we got the lovely Michelle here, and we're going to talk about this lovely car here. So what can you tell us about it?
It's a 13 5.7 Hemi.
Okay.
She does have the air lamps. That's about it.
Okay. Does she at least have AC?
Yes. Fully loaded.
And plays them, you know, lovely MP3s and all that sort of stuff.
Yeah, all the good stuff.
Yeah. What kind of horsepower does he have?
395 stock, I think.
Oh, nice, nice. Does he put any work into her?
No, we're planning to put a cold air intake on or stuff like that. Probably I think my husband called it a racing chip or something like that.
Okay. Well, anyway, thank you very much.
No problem.
And have a good one at the show.
You too.
Anyway, we got one of the rare Pontiacs here as well. Got some nice motorcycles here as well. We also have these little mini cars. A couple other vehicles here I do not know anything about. Excuse me, sir, is this your vehicle?
It is.
Do you want to talk about it?
What do you need to know?
So, what do we have here?
95 Camaro.
95 Camaro. Any features or anything like that?
LT1.
Okay. How much horsepower is that?
Not quite sure, actually.
Okay. Well, anyway, thank you very much.
No sweat, man.
Have a good one and enjoy the show. We got a couple more cars here. Nice little Cobra, 97.
Now that's cool.
Now this is a really cool car, very modern, I think. I don't know what year. You can see inside the engine as well. They got the hood open. Got a nice little Mustang right here. The last stretch of cars here. We got a nice little Dodge. Excuse me?
20. Go away.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. A 3LZ.
Got some more cars here. And that's it for all the cars here at the show today. Hello, sir. So what's your name?
Tom Fogarty.
So what kind of car do we got here behind us? 92 Mazda?
Yeah.
What's the name again?
92 Mazda Miata.
Miata, eh?
Yeah.
That's your lovely life in the back, eh? That's the star of the show. So any features about the Miata?
No, it's just a 1.5 all-round, just standard, no extras.
Oh, okay.
Standard,
Pretty good horsepower?
not for me.
Not for you, eh? Well, anyway, thank you very much, sir.
No problem.
Have a good one.
You too.
Anyway, there you guys go, over at the Kenmount A&W Car Show. Come down here while the cars are still here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out.